Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find Telegram downloaded files on PC. So let's begin. First, to make sure that you're connected with the internet, and once connected with the internet, simply open Telegram. Here, you need to tap on these three lines at the top left corner, then tap on settings. In settings, tap on advanced. Here, tap on download path. Here you can see that our download path is Telegram folder in system downloads. I downloaded the files from here and go to the same folder where my file is saved. You can see that our desired file is here, and you can follow the same steps to locate your files. But before you go, please like, share and subscribe.